In this video, I'll show you how you can use Fotor's AI image generator to generate images from text. So if you go to Fotor.com, you can go to their AI image generator here, and we'll just see here how it stacks up against Bing's AI image generator, which is free, or any of the other AI image generators I've covered on this channel. So we'll go to AI image generator. You can see here free AI image generator, turn text to image and AI art. So we need to type in a prompt here and click generate. So I'll just type in a prompt of a penguin riding on a roller coaster, smiling with big eyes, happy. Okay, now we'll click generate and see what this can generate. Now what we want to do is we need to choose an aspect ratio. So we'll just go 16:9, which is going to be like a YouTube thumbnail template. Then we can then choose what style we want. Maybe we want a photography style or an anime style or digital art might work. Let's go for photography and then we'll click on generate. And we now need to sign in and we can get the results for free. So I'm just going to sign in with Google and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's going to generate two different images here and we'll just have a look at what they look like and then we'll give an overview of this AI image generator. So these are the two images. They actually look really good. I'm really happy with them. It's not really a roller coaster. I would say it's more of like a skateboard. But this one here is pretty cool. So I'm going to click on this one. And what we can do here is we can edit the prompt again, or we can copy the prompt. We can evolve this, or we can just download this to the computer and it will then download. It should be pretty high definition. Now this is going to use 2 credits and you can buy more credits up here. You can see by default you get 6 credits. So that is going to be 3 more photos. So here is our image. You can see it's really high quality and yeah, I'm really happy with that. So that's how you can use Fotor AI image generator.